Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. This is the starting point of the process. Once you are on the home page, take a moment to get familiar with the layout before proceeding with the login process. When you have confirmed that you are on the correct WordPress page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you will notice a login option. Click on this login button to begin signing into your account. This action will prompt the login interface to appear, and you should be able to quickly move on to the next required step. After clicking login, you will be presented with various sign-in options. For this demonstration, the process includes using a streamlined method known as Continue with Google. When you select this option, you will have the opportunity to choose the Google account you wish to use to authenticate the login. Choose the appropriate Google account and allow WordPress permission to access your account information for an easier sign-in experience. Make sure that you are signed into the correct Google account to ensure that you are accessing the intended WordPress resources. Now that you have successfully logged in, you will need to navigate to a specific area within your WordPress administrative interface, referred to as feedback. This section is dedicated to managing responses, including compliments, inquiries, or even spam submissions. Locate and click on the option for feedback. This will bring up the list of responses submitted via your website's forms. Upon arrival in the feedback section, you will see various responses displayed, and you are now ready to interact with them. Focus on the interface and note that each individual response has additional options indicated by a set of 3 dots. These dots are not merely decorative, they serve as a menu that contains more commands related to managing each submission. Find the response that you believe should be marked as spam, and then click on the 3-dot menu to open additional options. Within this menu, you will see an option that explicitly indicates the ability to mark the response as spam. Click on this option to categorize the response as spam. This action informs WordPress that the particular response is not genuine or is unwanted, and it effectively prevents similar responses from cluttering your feedback area. By marking a submission as spam, you are keeping your site organized and ensuring that only legitimate interactions remain visible. Each of these steps has been designed to simplify what might initially seem like a complex process. By following these instructions carefully, you can quickly manage your WordPress feedback by removing unwanted spam responses in a matter of minutes. Whether you are a seasoned WordPress user or new to the platform, taking these steps will help maintain the cleanliness and efficiency of your website's communication. Enjoy the ease of managing your responses as you keep your WordPress interface streamlined and relevant to your needs.